Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your Samsung Galaxy A40. So first, what you guys need to do is adjust media and the call volume in the settings. So, you cannot adjust the call volume, you guys can only do it in an active call. And let me show you what I mean. So, go over to the settings. Now go to sounds and vibration, and here you guys will go over to volume. Now you cannot change the call volume here, but you guys can adjust it while being in an active call. So when you are in a call, then make sure to max it all out. Now for the media, you can change it up here. For me, it's all the way to the right, so that means it's the highest possible. Now, next, what you guys can do is make sure that do not disturb mode is disabled. So, go over to the control center. Let's open it right here and make sure that this is not blue, but gray. This way we know that do not disturb is disabled. And now what we can do next is clean the speaker grills or the headphone port. So it depends on what you have the low volume problem on. So for the headphone port, the 3.5mm jack, make sure that you clean it with a soft brush. Now the same goes for the speaker grills, and the only exception is that you can clean the headphone port with the, let's say, a toothpick. So it's totally up to you whether how you want to clean it, but make sure to not damage everything, because it'll be way worse than just this not working, because we can fix it, but once it's broken I won't be able to help you, and you will have to go over to the service center, then get the phone fixed, and this is a very long process. Of course you're gonna pay a lot of money for that, so make sure to do it gently. Now, what you guys can do next is restart the phone. So, we do that to refresh the system, hold the power button only, and now tap twice on the restart icon. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second. After the restart, what you guys can do is check for the software updates. So this is as a last resort. Let the Android start up, and then we will proceed with going over to the settings. So now we are in the settings. Let's scroll a bit down until we see software update almost at the bottom. Let's click it, and then all we have to do is click on download and install. So this way, after we click on it, let it load up. It will check for updates automatically, and as you guys can see, I have the latest version. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't and you have an option to update it, then make sure to do that, because you definitely want to keep up with your phone's updates. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.